Zapof Forms provides an easy integration with third-party apps through Zapier. The integration allows us to use the submission data and take real-time action, such as sending a personalized email to the user who submits the form. Zapof Forms Zapier integration is available in Pro and Business plans. It is also available as an add-on. To use submission data for the third-party app, I need to log into my Zapier account. Click the Create New Zap on the dashboard. If CloudForm is not visible, enter CloudForm in the Search Apps field, and press Enter. Choose CloudForm. Click Choose an Event Input field, and select New Submitted Form. Click Continue. Click the Choose an Account field. If this is the first time I integrate Zapof Forms, I need to sign in using my Zapof Forms account credentials. I have already done that before, so I choose my existing integration account. Click Continue. To test the trigger, I need at least one submitted form in my Zapof Forms account for the trigger to load the submission data. If you just created the form and you don't have any submission, submit a test data on your form. Click Test Trigger. The trigger pulls the ID and title data of the submitted forms. If your form has name and email fields, the data also includes first name, last name, and email. This form is a feedback form of summer camp. And I am going to respond to feedback about the food in question number 12. Let's add Gmail app to send an email. Click Continue. Search and choose Gmail app. In the event field, choose Send Email. Click Continue. Choose Gmail account to send the email. If I have not done this before, I need to sign into my Gmail account to integrate Gmail app. Click Continue. Click the To Input field, and we use the email data from our previous New Submitted Form trigger. Click Show All Options and choose Email. I have this email field because my form has a question that asks for an email. Click the From Input field and choose the Gmail email address. Click the Subject field and choose the title. Click the Body field and write the message. For the greeting, I use the person's first name. And I include the person's feedback about the food in the message. Click Continue. Please make sure that the submission data in the first step is a test data before testing this Gmail send action. This action sends an email to the question that asks an email address on the form. Click the Test Action button. And that's it. Click the Publish button to publish the Zapier integration. Every time someone submits a feedback form on my summer camp form, the person gets a personalized reply.